This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your employer identification number as a non-United States resident. An employer identification number, or EIN, is like a social security number for your business, essential for various tax and legal activities. This unique 9-digit number helps the Internal Revenue Service identify your company for federal tax purposes. Understanding this process ensures your business can operate smoothly within United States regulations. We will guide you through each necessary step, from eligibility to submission, making it straightforward for you. Before you begin the application, it is important to confirm your eligibility and gather all required information. You will need a valid foreign passport and a clear understanding of your business's structure and purpose. This includes knowing your entity's legal name and its mailing address outside of the United States. While a United States Social Security number is not necessary, having all these details ready streamlines the entire process significantly. Being prepared will help you avoid common delays. The core of your EIN application is Form SS4. This form requires specific details about your business and why you need the EIN. Carefully complete each section, including your foreign address and business type, such as a corporation or limited liability company. It is vital to clearly indicate on the form that you are applying as a non-United States resident without a social security number. Take your time to review every entry, ensuring all information is precise and consistent. Accuracy here prevents potential rejections later on. When submitting Form SS4, non-United States residents have two primary options: fax or international mail. The fax method is typically faster, usually taking between 4 and 20 business days to receive your EIN back. If you choose to mail the form, be prepared for a longer wait. Processing can take 4 to 8 weeks, plus international transit time. Always ensure you are sending it to the correct Internal Revenue Service address for international applications. Choose the submission method that best suits your timeline and urgency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.